Welcome to the tutorial on how to set up an account on Mizar. First of all, head on over to Mizar and log into your account. From the dashboard, head on over to Exchanges. This is where you will see your existing exchanges and also have the option to add an exchange. You'll be doing this via API. An API is simply an application programming interface. This acts as an intermediary between two programs. In this case, it will be Mizar and your exchange, allowing them to talk to each other. It is also important to note that Mizar is non-custodial. That means you are in control of your funds at all times. So let's add an exchange. Select the Add Exchange button and select from this screen the exchange you wish to add. Here you are required to enter your exchange API key. If you are unsure of how or where to find this on your exchange, simply select Learn How. Now be sure to not share your API details with anybody, as they will be able to control your account. Once you have entered all of the API details successfully and you hit next, it will ask you if you want to connect the exchange, and yes, you do. There we have connection successful. You can head back on here and you can see all of your exchanges.